probably only should have made one for my own good, but I was feeling extra hungry today. Alright, so it's now the next day, and that plate of rice and chicken put me to sleep. I was down for the count. It was a good meal, but damn, that thing put me to sleep. I'm actually making some food right now. I'm gonna cook up some quesadillas and maybe a fish sandwich. But first, I gotta grate this cheese real quick. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I got all the cheese shredded up. Got the chicken already ready made. Some salsa ready. About to put these together. Grab some tortillas. Probably gonna make 2 tortillas, or 2 quesadillas. Grab some cheese. Put this to the edge because I can use this cheese in it when it melts to stick them together. Probably should cut this chicken a little bit smaller, but it's all good. Another spoon for the salsa. Oh, I didn't even realize I can't see it. Just add a tiny bit of salsa throughout this whole thing. It's good to fold. Next one. these up. Those are ready to fry up. Now I'm gonna make my fish sandwich. So for the fish sandwich, I'm using these French. I'm gonna use these Great Value fish patties and some Great Value hamburger buns. Alright, so while that fish patty is heating up, I'm just gonna, my mom made that by the way. I'm just gonna heat up this pan so I cook the quesadillas on it. I'm also gonna use this time to lightly toast those buns. Just add some oil. Toss these quesadillas on here. Flip these because I think they're ready. Oh yeah. Definitely ready on that side. So the other side, it should be good. Alright, this fish patty is done. Some tartar sauce, Great Value again. Boom. I'm about to actually toss this in a little foil, just because I'm going to eat the quesadilla first and I want the patty to be warm. Quesadillas are definitely done now. So, plate those up. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream in this little container here, just so I can dip the quesadillas in here. That's probably enough. Probably more than enough, to be honest. It's a big meal. Probably only should have made one for my own good, but I was feeling extra hungry today. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna eat right now. 2 quesadillas, fish sandwich, some sour cream, and I'll get back to you on the next update.